everyone, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've done these sit down videos, but I'm super excited to be back. I've been traveling a lot, so I haven't had time to do any of these because I've barely been home. But now it's time to do a review on this Balenciaga bag that I bought a couple months ago. I'm not sure, but I'd have an unboxing video of this on my channel, so go check it out. I'll try to put a link on this video, and I'll put a link down below in the description box if you want to see that unboxing video. But this video is going to be a review on this, and also I used this yesterday, so I have my stuff in it, so I will also explain you guys what fits in it in a way. But with no further ado, let's talk about this bag. So this bag, I don't think this is like a all year round bag. I mostly think I'm gonna be using this during the spring and summertime, also probably the beginning of autumn and stuff like that, but somehow I just don't see myself wearing this during the winter because this is a canvas bag with leather detailing. So yeah, I just somehow see this more as a summer and spring bag. Also the coloring, because it's like an off-white and black, I feel like that's more of a beachy vibe or summery vibe feel to it. But yeah, so far I've been using this quite a lot since I bought it. I've been traveling with this, and yeah, and I've been really satisfied with the bag. I don't have many complaints. There are things that I would probably, well, I don't know how I would have them differently, but some things that you might want to consider if you are considering to buy this bag, because, well, yeah, let's talk about those. So the strap, you can take it off, which is a really nice thing, because then you can have this as a clutch, even though I don't feel like this is like the most dressiest bag. But still, if you're going to like a beach party or something, or like a relaxed wedding, I feel like this could be a cool clutch, because you can take it off and then it's just a bag like this. And also it is pretty spacious, so you can fit quite a lot of stuff in it. Even though it is a hard canvas bag, it's not that flexible. So yeah, mostly it doesn't fit like big round things. That's if you have, well, a water bottle. I did carry a water bottle when I was in Monaco. I did carry this bag and I had a water bottle. It did fit in the bag when it wasn't that full. I had like my wallet and my passport and stuff like that. So it did fit a water bottle, because here it has this middle part here. It's pretty flexible, so you can fit some bigger things, but if you don't want to kind of ruin the bag or stretch it, then you should have like pretty thin things in here. But one really amazing thing that I really like about this bag is, ta-da, it fits my iPad. This is the iPad Air 2, I think, but it is the full-size one. It's not the mini, but it's not the humongous one either, so it fits the normal iPad, which is really cool, because not always I want to carry my laptop or stuff with me, so then it's good to fit an iPad, so you can do more stuff with an iPad probably than you can do with the phone. And also my phone is kind of dying, so I need my iPad a lot, because I can't even post Instagram photos without my iPad. But anyway, then yeah, it fits a notebook, and yeah, well, mostly all my stuff are like wallet, passport, keys, charger, and yeah, so it fits pretty much everything you need. And also it does fit the water bottle. I don't have a water bottle here right now, so I can't show you, but if you look here, this middle compartment, it's pretty flexible, so you can fit, if you don't have much stuff in here. This is not that flexible like this side towards your back or your you. It's not that flexible, but it is pretty spacious. And then also, well, the only minus thing, it hasn't bothered me when I've been using this bag, but first when I got this, I was like, because the zipper here, I don't know, yeah, it doesn't go all the way. Like you can see, it doesn't go like fully, or you know, the bag ends like here and the zipper is there. So there is some space here that it could go further, but it hasn't bothered me in use. So yeah, I don't really mind, but that's something that maybe you do mind. I don't know. And also the strap, it is pretty thin. So if you are carrying, for example, the iPad and a heavy wallet and maybe a water bottle, or yeah, something heavy, it can dig into your skin a bit because it's so thin. But it hasn't bothered me that much. It is leather, so it makes it a bit easier, or it doesn't dig that much. I have a bag that has a metal strap, and that hurts so much when you wear it, when it's heavy and you wear it for the whole day. But the leather isn't that bad, but it is something that you might not want to carry this pretty heavy. But yeah, what else? It has a small pocket on this side here. It does fit, where's my phone? I don't know. It does fit a small, wait, let me see. Well, it just doesn't fit a passport in like this way, but it does fit it like the other way around, and yeah. But yeah, also you can close it. This other side has like it has a button that you can close, and then this other side has a zipper. I mostly don't keep this closed because for some reason I always have to grab something from my bag, so I usually keep these open. And this back side, it's pretty like stiff, so it's really hard to close and open. But yeah, also it does give you a bit space because it has these indents here, so if you have a lot of stuff, it does like it's a bit flexible in size. But overall, I really like this bag, and also because it is like this off-white color, it doesn't attract that much dirt on it. I don't think I have, well, I have some, or no, that's part of the bag. I don't have any stains on it yet, blackly. But yeah, I feel like if it would be pure white, you might see a lot more on it, but especially this has like gray bit, or no, like brown, like, I don't know how to say it, but there's like some like beige undertone here, so it doesn't get that dirty easily. But also you might want to consider that this bag is off-white, so if you have a lot of really white things, then yeah, this might not go well. My shirt is like white and this is like off-white, so you can probably see the difference. So yeah, that's probably something that you might want to consider. I didn't know this was off-white. The website, Balenciaga's website, has a pretty good picture of this bag, so yeah, that wasn't an issue for me, even though I do want a pure white bag as well, because yeah, there is some difference. But yeah, also I forgot to mention this bag is adjustable. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different places that you can put it. It's just a like I don't know what you call this, but there's holes, and then you just put that in the hole. I just yesterday adjusted to another one, but I'm going to change it back to a bit longer one. It doesn't make that much of a difference, but when you put it into a hole, the hole does get bigger. So, and also if you have it in the last one, this flappy thing, it will flap more, and it doesn't have anything that you can put it in. So yeah, that's kind of the same issue that my Gucci bag has. I have the Gucci disco bag, so that also have a floppy thing. But yeah, it's this, otherwise this strap is really easy to take off. It's just like it has a loop here, a hole where you put this in, you take it out from here, and then you just take it out. So it's really easy to take out. So that's it for this bag review. I hope you got some insights on this bag, and if there was something that I didn't mention and you wanted to know about this bag, please comment down below and I tried to answer that. But I think this was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!